I'm haunted by the vision of those who will be around 40 years from now asking either why didn't we do something to maintain the integrity of the ocean while there was still time.
Well, I'm old enough to remember when we would hear that the oceans were so vast and so unlimited that it really didn't matter what we put in them, that they were an open dumping ground, that you could take your city waste and just go dump it off the coast and it would go away. And what we find is that partly as a result of that, there's really no part of the ocean which is untouched by things that we have put into it, sometimes directly, sometimes indirectly.
One of the 10 goals in the index is clean waters, and clean waters or unpolluted waters are really important for aesthetic or recreational reasons. People like to go to the beach and not have trash or polluted waters. For fish and other animals, it's really important that they have a clean environment to live in. And so the index recognizes the importance of clean waters to achieving the goals we have for the ocean.
I remember walking down a beach in a very, very remote part of Scotland, in a place miles from, I would have thought, anywhere, and finding the beach feet deep in plastics. They wouldn't have come from a local source. They came there from somewhere else. So we've taken a situation that we might have thought of as being sort of a non-problem or at most a local problem and made it an ocean-wide problem.
So there are 4 kinds of pollutants that we track in the Clean Waters goal. There's trash like plastic and paper and bottles. There's fertilizers and other nutrient input that makes waters murky and unhealthy for animals. There's chemical pollutants from factories or runoff from urban areas. And then there's pathogens from human sewage and other sources that create diseases that obviously people don't want to have in the ocean.
So the bottom line is try and get rid of all your contaminants, all your trash, all your pollutants, all your pathogens, and clean the water. And it's good for human health, it's good for marine health, and it's, I think, a common and shared goal.